Legal disclaimer. Do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Hello there traders, this is Rob Reinhold and here we are at trade number 93. We're making random trades with random methods, flipping coins, rolling dice, basically to prove that the biggest conspiracy theory in trading is that all the books talk about the entry and very few of them talk about the exit. So what are we doing here? We're taking entries totally random without charts and then focusing on selling losers and holding winners. And by trade number 93, things are going quite well. So let's talk about what we're going to be focusing on today in trade 93. We had some pretty big news that the Bank of Canada, the first G7 country to cut rates, and that is a precursor to probably more central banks cutting rates. So I figured we should give a round of applause to the Bank of Canada and let's go trade a Canadian stock. One of the cool features on FinViz is that if you take any stock, if you knew a Canadian stock, then you could just put that in. But I just typed in Canada and it gave me, a few. But look, you could just say Royal Bank of Canada. And underneath Royal Bank of Canada here, it says the country that is domiciled in. So I'm just going to click this button and this is going to give us all of the stocks that are domiciled or headquartered in Canada. Now there's 224, but we want to take out anything with low volume, take out anything under $10. That's going to lead us with 39. We have 39 stocks listed from A to Z. So I'm going to spin a wheel. We're going to take a number between 1 and 40. And hopefully we won't get number 40 or we'll have to roll again. But that's going to be the trade we take. All right, for the first number here, I got 0, 1, 2, and 3. It's going to be number 2. All right, number 2. That is going to be the winner. Let me go ahead and put in the rest. All right, we'll give it for the second number. So 20 something. What is it going to be? It is going to be 22, it looks like. All right, so 22. We'll take number 22 on that list, and that's going to be the trade we go with. Number 22 is the winner, MFC. MFC is going to be the trade. Let's take a look at it on a chart. All right, so Manulife Financial. Let's make sure we've got the correct indicators on here. And here we are. And if we take a look at the 13 EMA, we can see that the 13 EMA is sloping lower. It actually is sloping lower. So this is going to be a short. This is absolutely going to be a short. The current market price is $25.60 and the current ATR is 43 cents. So those are our trade numbers. It is June 5th, 2024. Symbol is MFC. We're going to be short at $25.60. The ATR is 43 cents. So our initial stop is going to be 86 cents. Above that, that's going to leave us with a initial stop at 26.46. Here we have our trade numbers. All we need now is to get our position size. Then we can go ahead and make the trade. Let's jump into our account here. We've got 3 trades at the moment. We've got 2. They're doing quite well. One's basically break even. But let's go over and get our account balance here. Our current account balance is $110,874. We are going to throw that number right here in our account balance, 1% risk. Our entry was $25.60. Our initial stop was $26.46. We'll make these zeros, hit our calculate button, and that's going to tell us we want to be short 1,290 shares. Let's go make the trade. Putting in the symbol MFC, we are going to be selling. So we're going to be short. We're going to be short 1,260 shares. Sorry, 1,290 shares. 1,290. I'm going to put this order right below the bid. That's going to give me just a little bit of time to come in here and put in my trailing stop. The trail was 86 cents. We're going to go ahead and hit submit. And that trade is filled. We are filled at 25.586. So we follow rounding rules, so we're going to round that up to 25.59. Here are the final trade numbers. We are short at 25.59. We already have our trailing stop in, so we don't have to do anything if it goes against us. It's automatically going to be taking care of itself. Even if it goes up a little bit and falls down, it's going to knock us out with our trailing stop. However, we've got a little bit of tightening up to do if it goes for us. Once that 2x ATR profit is reached, 1.5 ATR trailing stop. And then if it goes up even more, we snug that trailing stop up a little bit more, and that's it. That's all we've been doing for 93, and it's been working pretty good. Anything you do outside of that is a mistake. Remember, the market is really good at getting you to do the wrong thing at the wrong time. Don't fall for the trap. Be disciplined, follow your rules, and automate your exits. Goodbye, everyone.